To be playing in the winter snow, I'ma be under the mistletoe.
Hey KayNation, so welcome back to Vlogmas. Ooh, I dropped the remote. Welcome back to Vlogmas day 3. So the first 2 days of Vlogmas was kind of like messed up. I was like exhausted from school. I was stressed out. I was tired. Everything in between. So I wasn't really like paying attention. I forgot it was Vlogmas. I had a vlog. I didn't have it edited. It wasn't uploaded, anything like that. So that's why my Vlogmas day 1 and day 2 are late. But this is Vlogmas day 3, and hopefully the day that this goes up is the exact day that it is. So I don't know what to say. I just came on here to tell y'all something. Whatever, I didn't really come on here to tell y'all nothing. I just came on here to do my vlog for the 3rd day. But basically today was just a normal day. I went to work. Oh, and by the way, sorry if I looked like a bum. I just came from school. But I went to work and then I went to school and now I'm back home. I was supposed to go back to work, but I have a presentation that I have to work on, so I'm not going back to work. But when I came home, I just happened to walk inside and I see a Verizon bag on the table with my name on it. So I came in and I saw this on the table and it has my name on it. So I had a look, I was like, what is this? Because I didn't buy nothing. And if you guys didn't know, I'm on my own like plan. I pay my own phone bill or whatnot. And so I have the iPhone 11, which you guys have all seen before, the same phone that I've had. I got this phone in September and it is currently December 3rd. And I think I got this phone like September 28th or 27th, something like that. So I opened the bag, and this is from my parents, by the way. I opened the bag and look what was in the box. Can y'all see? Boom. The iPhone 11 Pro Max. And so if you guys did not know, I wasn't a big fan of the 3 cameras. I just was like, okay, it's a phone, cool. But my parents actually bought it for my sister, and so I guess Verizon was having some kind of deal with the phone, so they ended up getting me one as well. They got me one, my other sister, and my other sister. So they got all 3 of us one, and then my mom's gonna take this phone that I have right here. And so I'm excited to open it. This is the, I believe it's the, I don't know the colors because I never really paid this phone much attention, but this is the gold, I believe, or it's rose gold. I'm pretty sure it's just gold. And it has the gold apple on the box. Sorry y'all, it's trying to focus on my hair. There you go. It has the gold apple on the box. Let me not show y'all those numbers. I'm gonna have to cut that out. Oh yeah, it says gold. But yeah, I'm gonna unbox this for you guys. I'm so excited. It's 256 gigs and that's needed because there's something I have to tell y'all, but that's gonna be in Vlogmas day 4, so stay tuned for that because you guys are really gonna want to know about this because it's so interesting. I'm just playing, but y'all gonna want to know. And I'm also gonna record when my sisters get home and they see their boxes on the counter. You know what? I'm opening it and not showing it to y'all. Okay, so let's get ready and open it. Okay, we're back at the same. Here's the matte box that it comes in. You can see apple on both sides. So we're gonna tilt it down so you guys can see. Having time opening it. Okay. Can y'all see that? It's matte. And it's so cute. Like I say again, we're gonna go through the box. I'm taking it out the box. It feels so weird having a big phone again. Like I've had this phone, and I'm gonna show y'all the sizes compared side by side. I've had this phone for so long. So hold on, let me open it. Take the case off. So here are the sizes side by side. So I'm so excited. Like I'm not even gonna take the plastic off the front because I do not have a tempered glass yet. So I'm gonna leave the plastic on there. But yeah, I'm gonna miss this phone because I just got this. And before you guys ask me to do a giveaway, I will not be able to do a giveaway because my mom's getting this phone. She's taking it. So she'll have this phone. Okay, here's the box. We're gonna go through the box before we turn the phone on. Oh, I get the lightning charger cord. I forgot about this little lightning box that comes with. You guys probably couldn't see it. Headphones, of course. Same old, same old. It would focus. There you go. And then, of course, your charging cable. So nothing major. Nothing like that. Oh, wait, let's see. I forgot. They said you don't get gold Apple stickers. It's still the same white Apple stickers as before. You know what? Never mind. You can't see it, but same Apple stickers. And then they got the little silver piece right here for you to like take the SIM card out of your phone, which I'm gonna need. But I can't set my phone up until my mom comes home, so I'll be waiting to do that. But I need to back my phone up also, so that way all my stuff will install on this one. But I'm probably gonna like cut these little tabs off so I can keep this little screen protector on this till I get it. But I do not like how it sounds. Let me go ahead and back up this phone. And also, please don't leave any comments about, oh my gosh, you just got this phone, you're so spoiled, la la la. I did not ask for this phone. I'm grateful that my parents got it for me, but I paid for this phone myself. They're paying for this one for me, so my mom will take over this one and I'll get this one. But I'll still be paying for this phone though, even though my mom has it. But please, no negative comments. I really honestly do not want to hear them, and I don't think anybody does. First of all, where's the iCloud backup? Okay, my iCloud backup is on. We're gonna back it up again, and then I'll do it one more time before my mom comes home. But yeah, so you guys can see again. Here's the phone. Give you a closer look at it. It's coming up kind of silverish on there, but you can see the gold, like when I go like that. But I want to turn it on, but I just want to make sure that I'm okay to turn it on. But this is so weird having a big phone again. Like, it just feels weird to have a big phone. But I really can't believe that they went and bought this, because originally they was just supposed to get it for my sister, and I was all for it. I was like, okay, get her the phone. I was fine. I was content with the phone that I had. But they said they did. I sound like I can't talk. They didn't want to get get my sister's a phone and not me and my other sister one. So they ended up getting all three of us one. But that's really it. I'm gonna also insert the part when my sisters come home and find their bags on the counter with their name. Hopefully my dad gets home before them so he can put the bag on the counter, or else I'll just hide it until they get home. But yeah, so I'll see y'all when my sisters get here. I'm about to go ahead and record another video really quick, and so I'll see y'all later. Okay, y'all, so I'm finally back from the store after running around all day, and now we're about to set up, well, this new phone. But I have to go downstairs. I need some shoes. So yeah, I got Queston on the phone again. Every time I go to vlog or something, he's on the phone. Queston, tell him hi.
Hey.
Okay. Going downstairs. Okay, Mom. Never mind, she don't got no clothes on. I was gonna tell you to tell the vlog hi. I have to keep it turned this way because she don't got on clothes. So
my back hurts so bad, man.
It's gonna be a very weird angle.
It means I'm so hungry.
Jay, get mom cereal.
That's my chick. Y'all shouldn't be doing that. Cause she just bought y'all a phone.
Jay, then get the cereal. I do that every day.
This my phone looks nice because I actually got a clear case instead of these losers.
Watch out, Jay. Okay, I already opened it and I showed y'all what it looked like earlier. So I'm sorry if it's lopsided, but I just got this case at Walmart. It was like about $12.
So you give mama all your cases?
No, Jaden has the same phone. All my cases mama's not gonna use. So I'm gonna put this phone in the case because I don't have time to not have a case on it. And I don't have a temper glass yet. So I have to leave the plastic that comes on the phone on there until my temper glass comes on Friday. Which this is gonna annoy me because this little stuff is ugly on this phone. But yeah, it's turning on now. It feels so weird in my hand. It says hello.
Let me see if I want that case on this case.
Jay.
Phone. You even set it up or nothing?
No, mama said I couldn't open it.
Why?
I'm gonna try this.
You want the headphones?
Yes, you asked me that.
No, you said Jay, right?
No.
I was talking to you about
Oh, I said Jay. Which one you said?
Really, Jay?
Can we size inches? Oh, this is centimeters, right? Yeah, centimeters.
Yeah, but this is how it looks when I'm back with the case. But it's gonna take a few minutes, so I'll be back when it's finished. Okay, y'all, so I'm setting up my Face ID.
Be like 7.
Okay.
it.
It says slow.
Can you touch your nipple toe?
Are you laughing at them?
No, I'm laughing at me because I probably look dumb trying to do this.
She get up at 8 o'clock. And then at 9 o'clock we open.
Now, there's nothing else to talk about. This is all for Vlogmas
No,
Day 3. Oh, let me fix it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this and you enjoyed watching us open our phones.
I know you saw me, but put the stuff in the microwave.
I hope you enjoyed
Here.
us opening our phones.
Show my mama.
No, I'm not gonna show mama. She don't got no bra on.
So?
She got show me her neck up.
So, see y'all later.
I really want some noodles. We should pick some up when we got to store.